Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat's Kitchen. In this video I will show you how to make acharis. Acharis are basically dried mangoes cooked in sugar syrup. Before we get to know how these acharis are prepared, please do not forget to subscribe. As you can see, I have 8 mangoes. I will peel off the skin. I will then cut them into shapes like those of chips. As you can see, the mangoes are ready. I'll put them in direct sunlight for around 1.5 days, but 1 day is enough. Do not let them be too dry. The mangoes have dried up, so put them aside and continue the preparation of the syrup. In a pan, add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and red food coloring. Also add an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And when the syrup becomes sticky, add the dried mangoes, and do not let the syrup be too sticky, like that of sweet dumplings. And then add cardamom powder and leave the acharis for around 5 to 7 minutes. And after that, the acharis are ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Farwat's Kitchen.